All right, so to find the area of a circle, there's a very specific formula that we use, and it's pi times r squared, where r is the radius. Okay, so in my wonky circle here, if I make the radius 4 centimeters, then what I would write into my calculator is pi times 4 squared. Remembering that pi actually represents a number, and that number is 3.14159, and it goes on and on and on and on. Okay, but we write it as pi because it's a lot easier than having to write this number out that goes forever and ever. Okay, so you can type that straight into your calculator. If you have a calculator like mine, generally the pi symbol is written somewhere like that. So I'm going to go pi times 4 squared. I can use the squared button, or I can go 4 times 4, and that will give me 50.27 centimeters squared. Okay, so this time the radius might be 7 meters. So I'm going to write pi times 7 squared, which I can go straight to the calculator if I like, and go pi times 7 squared, and that's going to give me 153.94 meters squared. All right, so for this last example, start again by writing the formula out, pi times r squared. Now the difference with this question is we've actually been given a diameter here, okay? So if the diameter is 12, halfway for the radius is going to be half of 12, okay? Because the radius only goes halfway across the circle, whereas the diameter goes the full way across the circle. So that would mean our radius is 6. So in my formula, I'm going to write pi times 6 squared. I'm going to get my calculator and I'm going to go pi times 6 squared, and that's going to give me 113.10 millimeters squared. So the key things to remember with finding the area of a circle is 1, what is the formula? Knowing that r represents the radius. If you're given the radius, you can put that value in straight away. If you're not given the radius, say you're given the diameter, you need to halve it in order to find the radius, to put that into the formula to then find the area.